Tired of the same old Windows 11 look? Watch closely, because by the end of this video, your desktop could look this unreal. I'm going to cover how to get this beautiful taskbar, also this really nice translucent start menu, all of these useful widgets, as well as a translucent notification center. And as a bonus, at the end of the video, I will also show you Wallpaper on your desktop. Now, the first thing which we are going to do is change the Windows mode to dark, as well as remove this ugly recycle bin on our desktop. To do that, go here to the Start menu, go here to the Settings, and go under Personalization. For the colors here, you will change this from light to dark. This theme will pop even more if you have Windows set to the dark theme. And now, to remove the recycle bin icon, right-click on your desktop, go here to View, and make sure that you uncheck this option, Show Desktop Icons. Now we can continue with the customization of the taskbar. Make sure you download and install this program. It's called Windhawk. Just click here on the download option, and you should get this .exe file. Click on it, click Yes on the admin prompt, and then you can just install it like you would any other Windows program. Once you have it installed, go here to the Start menu, search for Windhawk, and click on the Windhawk app. The first thing to customize our taskbar is this modification. It's called Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. I will just copy the name, and if you don't see it here under the featured mods, go to the Explore page. Here on top, in the input field, paste the name of the modification, and click on Details and Installer. Once you have it installed, go under Settings, and under Theme, this is where you will pick this one right here. It's called Taskbar 12. Just click on it and click on Save Settings. Now you can see how the taskbar changed its theme. I think it looks much better than before. And we also have this animating icon for our system tray, which I think looks super cool. Now let's go on with the Windows 11 Start menu. Search for this modification, Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Install it like you did the taskbar styler. Then go to Details, go to Settings, and make sure you change the theme to this one right here. It's called Translucent Start Menu. Click on it. Then also enable this option. Disable the new Start Menu layout. Click on it and hit Save Settings. Now our Start menu should look something like this, with this transparency effect behind it. Now let's also enable the transparency effect on our notification center, because this is how our current one looks. To modify it, go back to Windhawk. Go to the home page and install this modification. Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Install it like the two modifications before. Go to the Settings, change the theme to Translucent Shell, just like this, and click Save Settings. Now if I open the Notification Center, this is how it looks. Much better than before. By the way guys, if you are enjoying this type of content, make sure that you smash the like button on this video, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And now, let's go to Unsplash, where I found this really cool wallpaper. Make sure to download it by clicking on this green drop-down menu and hit Original Size. This will save the image to your computer. Here, you can click to Show in the File Explorer. To set it as your desktop background, double left-click on it, and this will open the Photos app. Click on the three dots, click on Set As, and make sure you select Background. If you want to set it as your lock screen wallpaper as well, click on the three dots again. Click Set As, and select Lock Screen. Now if I go here and lock my computer, you will see this same wallpaper as my lock screen. I think it looks much better than the default Windows 11 wallpaper. Now let's continue with the widgets. We will have to install this program called Rainmeter, which allows us to add widgets to our desktop. Click on the download button, and you should get this .exe file. Click on it and install it on your computer. I'm going to click Next, Install, click Yes on the admin prompt, and wait a few seconds. Click on Finish. You should see some pre-installed skins on your desktop. Just right-click on them and click Unload Skin. Once you have a pretty much empty desktop, we can continue with the widget pack called Rainmeter. Here on this website, click on the download option to get the file. Make sure you have Rainmeter up and running in your system tray before installing. Click on the file and you will see the Rainmeter skin installer. Click Install and wait a few seconds until you see this pop up. On the screen, we can see this clock widget, the day widget, the media player, this dot, and the recycle bin. Right-click on the media player and click Unload Skin. I will also remove the dot and the recycle bin just like this. To change this widget right here, I'm going to change the text color. On this widget on top, click on Text Color and slide this slider to the bottom. It must say RGB 000 and click OK. Now our widget is black. We can also close this widget here on top. To modify this widget even further, right-click on it and click Edit Skin. It is very important we do that. Scroll down below and we will see a few options to change. The first one is Meter Date. Make sure you remove this one. Scroll up further, here we have Meter Day. Make sure you leave this one. Continue with Meter 12-hour clock. Delete this one. And for Meter 24-hour clock, delete this one as well. We are left with pretty much the Meter Day option only. Scroll up until we find the Scale option. Remove a few numbers and type 1.60. On top, click on File and click Save. It's very important that you save this file. Click the X on the editor, right-click on the widget, and click Refresh Skin. You can see it has this bigger size, without the clock and other info. I'm going to put it somewhere here on top because I think it looks best this way. Now we can continue with a few more widgets. The next one is called Monterrey Rainmeter. Under the releases, click on it, and down below you will find the file Monterrey 1.0.0.2. Click on it to save it. Click on it to install, and hit Install. You should see this window called Widgets. The one I quite like is called Calendar, so I'm going to click on it. Click on Monitoring as well, and the weather one. I'm also going to click on the Notes widget and Reminders. If you want to change the appearance, go under Appearance options and change it to whatever you prefer. I do prefer the blur option. Click X on the appearance and put the widget somewhere here on the right. The notes I will also put on the right. For the weather widget, I'm going to put it down below. Right-click on it and change the size to wide. To change the location, right-click on it and click Edit Weather. The city by default is set to Seoul. Change it to London, hit Enter, and save. You should see the location change. Now, if you want to take this setup to a whole new level, we can add a live wallpaper using a free application called Lively Wallpaper. On the GitHub page, you can go to the Releases page, or you can install it from the Microsoft Store. I prefer downloading the installer from GitHub. Click on the .exe file, wait a few seconds, install the program like any other, and restart your computer. Once opened, go to the Rain Live Wallpaper. Click on it, and this is how it looks by default. To change its wallpaper, click on the three dots, click Customize. Click on this and search for the wallpaper we got from Unsplash. On top, you can change the intensity, speed, brightness, normal, and zoom. And this is pretty much how our setup right now looks. We have this bonus live wallpaper, these widgets, this really cool taskbar, and the transparent start menu with the transparent notification center. With every single program I mentioned, I will put a link in the video description. Like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel, of course.